It's a long time. I am back in Pune, about 10 years. After graduation, I got trapped in the struggle for survival so badly that I never gave even thoughts to return. The buses are overladen by the masses, sometimes fighting to catch a bus, but sometimes offering a seat to a needy. Sometimes the bus can fly you across the town, and sometimes crippled by traffic. This flea market is amazing. Most of the times the seller does not know what he is selling. What you can't find anywhere, it's here. If you ask an address, you will be accompanied. Truly, nothing has changed. The town is as juvenile as was when I left.
Sir, something has changed.
What?
Perhaps you are not able to figure me out.
Sir, please spare something for me.
Do some work like that and go for school. And school?
Yeah, it's running.